Welcome to the next part of the VBA course where we will focus on the fundamental elements of every project: modules, procedures, and functions. These are the structures in which we store the logic of our program, and understanding them allows you to create and organize your own code freely. We begin by looking at the module, which appears at the top of the screen as the Module 1 window in the VBA editor. A module serves as a container for code, a place where procedures and functions are stored, and a tool that helps organize a project into logical sections. In the screenshot, the module is clearly highlighted and covers the entire area where the displayed code is located. Its definition is straightforward. It is an area used to collect and organize the code associated with our project and to place both procedures and functions within it. Further down the image, we see the procedures highlighted with a blue frame. The first procedure displays the message "Hello from a procedure." The second changes the color of cell A1 to green, and the third clears the contents of the range A1 to C10, removing any data contained within that area. All three share a common characteristic. They perform a specific action, but do not return any value. Based on this, we can define a procedure as a piece of code that carries out a particular operation, such as displaying messages or modifying worksheet content, but does not return a result to the program. It is the most commonly used form of macro executed by the user to perform a desired action in Excel. Below the procedures, in the green section of the screenshot, we find the functions. The example shows three of them. The first returns the sum of two numbers, the second checks whether a given number is even, and the third returns the length of the text passed as an argument. Functions differ from procedures in that they always return a value, which can later be used either in the VBA code itself or directly in the Excel worksheet, just like standard formulas. From this, we can define a function as a piece of code that performs specific calculations or another operation and returns a result that can be used by the user or other parts of the program. The entire structure shown in the screenshot illustrates how the module collects procedures and functions and what roles each of these elements plays. The module serves as the environment in which we organize the code. Procedures perform actions without returning a value, while functions return the results of data processing. Together, they form the foundation of working with VBA and provide the basis for building both simple macros and more advanced tools that automate tasks in Excel.